What's going on, guys? David here with you, and I'm bringing you another video on appliance repair. And this one is going to be changing a control board in a GE oven range. The initial complaint was that the bake element nor the broil element was working. So I got there to the house, and first thing I do is like to listen to the relays. Fired the unit up. I heard the relays clicking. They was clicking a little funny, so I automatically knew there was probably an issue there in the board. Pulled the unit out. Of course, we made sure we had proper voltage coming in. Unplugged the unit. We removed the back panel off that exposed the bake element and the broil element. We pulled the leads off those elements, made sure we had continuity on them with the multimeter. We had continuity there. So I made sure, put the back panel back on, remove the panel up that exposes the control board, plug the unit in, made sure we had proper voltage coming in there. We did. And a lot of times what happens is those relays, they'll get stuck, or the relays that go bad. And I knew that that was the initial issue, especially once I fired it up, once I got there. But that's what we're changing here in this clip. If this is your first time here viewing my channel, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and feel free to leave me a comment. This is what we're all about. We're here to help each other, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Thank you for watching. But once you got the back panel off, you want to remove the 4 screws out of the control panel that's holding it to the frame here. Step would be you want to remove the overlay off the old control board. Sometimes you can salvage these. In this case, I wasn't able to, and I go ahead and order the new relay just in case if I can't get it off properly. If I get it off properly, I'll send the new relay back. Just a little tip. It's always a good thing to take a picture of the old control board before you pull the wires off of it, but here I pull them off one by one and put them on the new control board, as you can see here. It's good to use needle nose pliers because these things can be pretty tough, as you can see. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video here. We got that control board in, fired it right up. Everything went to cooking and getting to the proper temperatures. And hey, somewhere up here, either here or here, there'll be a little card that will have other videos in my channel, different playlists. Be sure to check those out, and be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hey, leave me a comment. Thank you guys for watching. This is David with DC Appliance Repair. Y'all have a great, wonderful week.